Social media influencers Andrew and Tristan Tate arrested in Miami over the weekend. The men at the center of the so-called manosphere facing new charges in England. The UK seeking extradition for both men, but the pair vowing to fight that. Both brothers just appearing in front of a judge. And national correspondent Alex Caprariello is following it all. So, Alex, the hearing has just wrapped. What did we learn?
Yeah, so that federal hearing now officially over, lasting no more than about 15 minutes. And now there's plans to do it all over again next week. That means no official decision at this point on the Tate brothers' possible extradition back to England to face those nearly 60 criminal charges, including sexual assault and rape. Andrew and Tristan Tate appearing before that judge this afternoon in beige prison jumpsuits. They were handcuffed at the hands and the feet as well. The two brothers arrested in Miami over the weekend after British authorities leveled 39 new accusations of rape, assault, and human trafficking. Andrew Tate facing an additional charge of profiting from prostitution and 19 charges for offenses related to creating and distributing pornography. Prosecutors say those charges go all the way back to 2010. They're hoping that United States officials can actually extradite them back to England. But both Andrew and Tristan Tate, they've denied all wrongdoing. Moments ago, their attorney, Joseph McBride, appearing on the courthouse steps, says his clients are innocent and that they were shocked when they first were alerted to those allegations.
The allegations, their first reaction to the allegations is the first reaction that any innocent man or woman would have. It's garbage. It's a stitch-up job. They're after us to punish us with the process. The process is the punishment. When you drag somebody's name through the media, when you slander them, when you defame them, when you accuse them of heinous and terrible allegations, the process becomes the punishment until you can clear your name.
This is just another example of the controversial duo facing disturbing criminal allegations. Back in 2022, the brothers were arrested in Romania after they were accused of participating in a scheme to lure women for sexual exploitation. They denied those allegations too. The Romanian case failed to move forward, allowing the brothers to leave the country and move to Florida. Andrew Tate, a self-proclaimed misogynist, has more than 10 million followers on X. He's also been banned from platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram for violating hate speech guidelines. After the charges were first released, Tate posted this to his X account, arguing that British authorities lack credible details about the allegations they're leveling, including who the victims are.
The day that they tell me who my accuser is, sure, I'll go and prove them wrong. But I'm not going to go to jail chasing phantoms from made-up pieces of paper from a state which puts people in jail for years over tweets. That is insanity. And everybody knows I'm innocent.
So for now, the brothers will remain in police custody, awaiting a decision from the court. The judge scheduling a hearing for next Monday to discuss the extradition process, but the brothers won't be required to attend.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.